This is a little better video of the rally kit I got on my KTM 500. It's made out of flat aluminum plate that looks like it's anodized. I don't think it's painted, it's anodized. Can't really tell for sure. It's got a lot of 3D printed parts that look pretty good, and some other flat plastic pieces that I'm not sure if they're 3D printed or just cut. It's got two Baja design LED lights that are pretty bright. Really solid on there. They don't budge. They adjusted them and they stayed put where I put them. Moto Minded supplied me with the Trailtech Voyager Pro and the PMD 60 that I used to wire it all up. I had a couple issues wiring it, not really related to the kit. I didn't do exactly the way they instructed it. I changed a few things to suit my bike a little better. And I'm waiting on some parts, and I'm going to rewire it again. If I get some extensions and stuff in there, I can run all the wires inside of the kit here instead of on the outside. So I'm just waiting on some connectors and tools for that. It holds the Trailtech Voyager pretty good. It's really solid. And I got the aluminum case for the Trailtech too, so it just protects it a little better and holds it more secure. I'm still using the stock whatever that is, and I'm using the Trailtech for GPS miles per hour, and I'm using the wheel sensor on this one. I notice they run almost exactly the same, about a mile an hour off. I'm just going to keep it like that. I drilled a hole in it here to add my turn signal indicator, but I don't actually have the turn signals wired up yet. I'll get to it eventually. It clamps onto the frame down in here right behind the voltage regulator and right up there. And it clears the steering damper and the oversized fuel tank no problem. And there's room enough for my finger in between both, so no issues there. Touches it up there, and no, it don't. There's some clearance. So everything went together really smooth. No problems at all. I rode the bike about 100 miles off-road with this kit. Nothing came loose. Everything stayed pretty solid. So far I like the kit. I really like the way it makes the bike look. And I got it on the highway. I took it pretty quick, and the windscreen blocks some of the wind quite a bit actually. It's similar to my KLR really, with the stock windshield. So my top speed was 103 miles per hour according to GPS. The wheel sensor was about the same, and everything stayed good. There was no rattling or anything at that speed, so pretty good. Anyway, that's all I got for now. If I think of anything else, I'll make another video.